son of Sri Ramachandra Murthy, son of Sri Ramachandra Murthy, Toastmaster VMNR Sharma. If you want to stay with your parents who rely on you, don't delay. If you want to express love on your parents, don't delay. If you want to make them understand how much they mean to you, don't delay. Just find your way. Contested, fellow Toastmasters, he lived in a hut, hence he built a home for us. He was not educated, hence he gifted us with education. He never lit Diwali crackers, hence he was buying variety of crackers on every Diwali for us. He added every color of life that he missed to our lives to bring our family from the poverty stage to the middle class level. He was a priest by profession. He was chanting mantras and performing rituals on special occasions. His income was not regular because occasions are occasional. They are not regular. He is my father, Sri Ramachandra Murthy, and I am Sharma in front of you, son of Sri Ramachandra Murthy. My father used to celebrate every achievement of his children. Celebrations means not cheers with beers. Calling near and dear, sharing the happy news and tasty sweets. He was the happiest person when I got my standard job. He was the happiest person when I got married in the year 2000. He was the happiest person when I was blessed with a son in the same year, of course, not in the same month. It was 10 months process time was taken, don't mistake me. He was the happiest person when I was blessed with my son Sri Ram. When I was blessed with Sri Ram, I was a little bit upset because I wanted to give 2 years gap before I have a child after my marriage. But man proposes, God disposes. My personal protective equipment failed. My protection measures failed. Child was born. When my child was born, I wanted to keep his name as Sri Ram. I told my mom, I want to keep my son's name as Sri Ram. And my father, in front of my mother, told me, if you want to keep my name, keep full name, but don't put for partial name. You put as Sri Ramachandra Murthy. Then I arrogantly replied, Sri Ram is enough now. Why Sri Ramachandra Murthy? That was the way of communication between me and my father when our opinions differ. On the naming ceremony of the day, I announced my son's name as Sri Ramachandra Murthy, and my father was the happiest person. He knew that I love him. He knew that I respect him. He knew that I care him. But he was upset always because I don't express by words. I only express by actions. On that day he was happy because son of Sri Ramachandra Murthy has become father of Sri Ramachandra Murthy. He was the happiest person when I got my first Gulf opportunity in Bahrain in the year 2007. I was the happiest person to build a home for my parents in the year 2008. I was the happiest person to receive my parents in the Bahrain airport in the year 2010. I was the happiest person to see my parents playing with my kids, forgetting all those struggles they came across. I was the unfortunate and unhappiest person to receive the news in the year 2011 December that my father was attacked with lung cancer. He was treated with the best possible treatment. He was recovered. He was leading his normal lifestyle. But how long? No one knows. I was the happiest person to take decision to go back to India, to support my father, to express my love till he lives in the year 2014. But my father refused. He wanted me to earn money and become rich. He doesn't want me to face same financial problems he came across. Instead of convincing him lovingly, I again arrogantly replied, "You never understand." He was upset again. After a couple of months, he was convinced. Day was fixed. Arrangements were done. It was June 4th, 2014. Our journey was fixed. It was June 3rd. We got the news that my father was severely sick and was admitted in Apollo ICU. We rushed to India. We reached the hospital. We could see him with life, but without consciousness. I lost the strength of a mountain. I lost the faith of a mustard seed. I lost the depth of a family need. Indeed, I lost everything. I wanted to tell him how much he means to me, but I delayed. Fellow Toastmasters, if you want to express love to your parents, if you want to stay with your parents, don't delay. Just find your way. Understand?